Hey, hello everyone, I'm Gaurav and good morning all of you. Just I done my some work, means I was doing study, so I did some study and it's morning time and now time is 9:30 a.m. and it's rain in the outside. So till I have not done my bath, so I want to do my bath now, but I am feeling so much coldness in the weather because it's raining outside. So I'm going to do bath. Yeah, so let me close my laptop firstly. Okay, so yeah, so let's go. Here we boil our bathing water with the help of wood. So maybe my water has boiled and it's now. Let me check. Yeah. Oh, it's very hot. So it's time to take that water for bathing purpose. This is my bucket. Let me first clean it. Here a dog is taking rest. This dog name is Mukadam. Ut. I use this coconut oil for my hair. This is from Parachute company. I use these Ponds, but Ponds have finished. This is the, I think, 10 rupees wala dabba. So it gives little bit freshness, but it has finished. So I need to bring it from the shop. So today I will bring it if I go to the shop. This is my beautiful arch. If I wear this watch, I got confidence. And this is my sunglasses. Means whenever I use a screen, means a laptop screen, mobile screen, that time I use it. So that gives me help. Means these glasses protect my eyes from blue light radiation. So thank you so much. So let me put the things on their proper place. Otherwise my mother will shout it on me. Yeah. This is my boat earbuds. Recently, 1 week ago, I have bought it. जेवण दे ना मला, भूक लागली खूप. कुठे? So now it's time to eat something because I'm feeling hungry. So my mothers have given me food. So in this is a chapati, and this is the one of we can say bhaji. In Marathi we say matkichi usad. So I'm now eating this. So come with me to eat this. Taste is good and delicious. So thank you so much. See you again in the next video, and have a nice day to all of you guys.